Welcome to Rome, the eternal city where history and modernity intertwine in a breathtaking dance. With a history spanning over 28 centuries, Rome stands as a testament to one of the world's greatest civilizations. At its heart lie the ruins of ancient Rome. The Colosseum, a symbol of architectural marvel, narrates tales of a bygone imperial era. Enclosed within Rome is the world's smallest country, Vatican City. It's a treasure trove of art and culture, housing masterpieces like Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel. Rome is a culinary paradise. Indulge in classic Roman pasta dishes or enjoy a slice of authentic pizza. Each flavor tells a story. Strolling through Rome is like walking through a living museum. Every street corner has a story, with cobblestone paths leading to vibrant piazzas like Piazza Navona. Beyond its historical allure, Rome buzzes as a modern metropolis. It boasts a lively nightlife, cutting-edge fashion, and a dynamic contemporary art scene. The spirit of Rome is encapsulated in its people, passionate, vivacious, and welcoming. They add to the city's enchanting aura. Rome is not just a destination, it's an experience, offering something for every traveler, be it history enthusiasts, food lovers, or admirers of beauty. Thank you for joining this brief journey through Rome. Until next time, arrivederci.